What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends to a private story in Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Snapchat and then going to your profile. You can then scroll down and select New Private Story. You can then choose who you want to view your story and click Create Story. You can give your story a name, click Add. If at this point you would like to add more friends to the story, you can select More Friends in the bottom left corner and select the friends that you would like to add. Once you've chosen the friends, you can then click the send or snap icon in the bottom right corner and your private story will automatically be uploaded. That's how you can add friends to a private story on Snapchat.